What if I told you that a tiny object could balance a massive one in a painting? That a picture doesn't have to be perfectly symmetrical to feel perfect? Mastering Composition, Episode 4: Balance and Visual Weight, Making It Feel Right. Balance is how artists arrange the pieces of a painting so that it feels stable. Things don't have to match exactly, but they have to feel like they belong together. There are three main ways to create balance. Symmetrical balance. Both sides are nearly identical. This feels calm, formal, and very structured. Asymmetrical balance. The sides are different but still feel balanced. This feels more dynamic, lively, and natural, and it's much trickier to pull off. Radial balance. Everything radiates from a central point. This feels strong, powerful, and centered. Visual weight isn't just about size. A small dark shape can weigh as much as a big light one. A textured area can feel heavier than a smooth one. Artists carefully balance these forces, like a game of tug of war on canvas. In Las Meninas, look how Velázquez uses asymmetrical balance. On one side, we have the princess and her attendants. On the other, we see Velázquez himself, painting, and a doorway with a glowing figure. Different elements, but they all work together. Nothing feels off. Everything feels right. Let's play a quick game. I'll show you a painting, and you guess, is it symmetrical, asymmetrical, or radial? Balance keeps your eyes moving without falling off the edge. Next up, we'll learn about framing, how artists guide your eyes exactly where they want. So if you're loving this creative deep dive, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next chapter.